Hi, this is Kara with DoMyOwn.com. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing an important topic for lawn lovers, choosing the right fungicide for your lawn. We'll explore the different types of fungicides, their uses, and the best options for your specific needs. When it comes to selecting the right fungicide for your lawn, it's crucial to identify the specific disease you're dealing with and to take into account any previous lawn issues you've encountered. This helps prevent recurring problems and ensures an effective treatment. There are two main types of fungicides, preventative and curative. Let's explore the differences and how they work. Preventative fungicides protect your lawn from becoming infected with diseases in the first place. They create a barrier that inhibits the growth and spread of fungi, effectively warding off potential issues. Curative fungicides, on the other hand, work by slowing down and stopping fungi from causing further damage from within the plant. While they cannot repair existing damage, they can help contain the disease and prevent its spread. Some fungicides have both curative and preventative properties. Fungicides can be classified as systemic or contact fungicides, based on their mode of action and application. Systemic fungicides are absorbed upon contact by the roots of the plants, providing internal protection and killing the fungus. They are effective at targeting diseases from within the plant. Contact fungicides create a protective barrier on the surface of the plant where the treatment has been applied. They remain on the surface and are not absorbed by the plant. Contact fungicides are best used as the plant grows to prevent the onset of diseases. Fungicides can also be categorized as narrow spectrum or broad spectrum based on the range of fungi they target. Narrow spectrum fungicides are highly specific and effective against only a few types of fungi. They are often systemic in nature and are designed to target closely related fungi. Broad spectrum fungicides, on the other hand, can be used for a wide variety of fungi, often unrelated. Most contact fungicides fall under the broad spectrum category, providing general protection against a range of fungal diseases. The mode of action refers to how the active ingredients in a fungicide affect the fungus. Understanding this is crucial for choosing the right fungicide for your specific needs. Different fungal diseases require different modes of action for effective treatment, and it's important to match the active ingredient to the specific fungal disease you are trying to prevent or treat. The mode of action is also important when it comes to preventing fungicide resistance. Fungicides are classified into groups known as FRAC groups based on their mode of action. Rotation between fungicides with different FRAC groups after 1 to 2 treatments helps your fungicides work most effectively to prevent or halt your lawn disease issues. Remember, identifying the disease, considering previous lawn issues, and understanding the different types of fungicides are essential steps in making an informed choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more lawn care tips and advice. Thanks for watching.